it's been 2026 for about 12 days when I released this video, and on the New Year's Eve I've both set up and seen quite a lot of fireworks, especially because this is the last year in which moderate risk, so category 2 fireworks are going to be legal in the Netherlands. Next year they're going to be forbidden to light and also to get. Obviously people will be getting illegal fireworks from foreign countries. It's that easy. But I did still see a lot of fireworks today. I think people are just burning off their last stock they have. I also have to tell that category 1 fireworks are going to remain legal from next year onwards, because they kind of have to be. They're used a lot and there's strict regulations about those. I can talk about the politics of fireworks, or I can just show you the fireworks I came across and I lit up myself today, because I took a lot of photos and videos with them. So let's have a look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and share this video with all your friends, and perhaps consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.